Good morning, students. In this chapter, decimal, I have taught you about how to express millimeter into centimeter and kilometer, and expressing gram in kg, kilogram, which is greater or smaller. In example, type 5 question is problems based on addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Example 7 is Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. Ayub went from place A to D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. Who traveled more distance and by how much? इस समस्या को हल करने के लिए हम ये निकालेंगे जो दिनेश के द्वारा तय की गई दूरी। दिनेश पहले स्थान ए से बी की ओर जाता है और फिर बी से सी की तरफ ओर जाता है। यहाँ पर ए से बी की दूरी दी हुई है 7.5 किलोमीटर एंड फ्रॉम, और बी से सी की दूरी दी हुई है 12.7 किलोमीटर। टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय अयूब। टोटल डिस्टेंस, द फिगर इज गिवन इन योर बुक। A, B, C and D. AB दूरी is given. AB is equal to 7.5 kilometer and BC दूरी distance is given 12.7 kilometer. 12.7 kilometer. The distance between A and D, the distance between Ayub went from place A to D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11.8 kilometer. 9.3 kilometer and D point, and distance between D and C is 11.8 kilometer. 11.8 kilometer. At first we find the distance traveled by Dinesh from A to C. Distance example number 7. Covered by Dinesh covered by Dinesh. Total distance covered by Dinesh is equal to AB plus BC is equal to 7.5 kilometer plus 12.7 kilometer is equal to 4×5 12 और 7×10 इक्वल टू 20.2 किलोमीटर. Now Ayub A to D, and after that he goes from D to C. AD distance is given 9.3 kilometer and DC distance is given 11.8 kilometer. Now total distance covered by Ayub. Total distance covered by Ayub is equal to AD plus DC. AD is given 9.3 kilometer plus DC is 11.8 kilometer. Adding this distance, we have 21.1 kilometer. Here we see that clearly 21.1 kilometer is greater than 20.2 kilometer. Hence Ayub covered more distance. Now we have to find how much Ayub covered more distance. Now we have to find how much. We subtract 21.1 kilometer minus 22.2 kilometer is equal to more distance is equal to 21.1 kilometer minus 20.2 kilometer is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0.9 kilometer. Hence Ayub traveled therefore Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometer. Change into meter, we multiplied by 1000 meter is equal to 900 meter. Therefore Ayub traveled 900 meter more. Answer. In this question, total distance covered by Dinesh is equal to AB plus BC. Traveled by Dinesh, AC is equal to AB plus BC. AB is 7.5 kilometer and BC is 12.7 kilometer. Adding this distance, total distance covered by Dinesh is equal to 20.2 kilometer. Now Ayub goes A to D, and after that D to C. So total distance covered by Ayub is equal to AD plus DC बराबर 9.3 किलोमीटर प्लस 11.8 किलोमीटर is equal to 21.1 kilometer. Clearly 21.1 is greater than 20.2. Hence Ayub covered more distance than Dinesh. Now we have to find how much distance is more, how much distance covered by Ayub more. So we subtract total distance covered by Dinesh from total distance covered by Ayub is equal to 21.1 kilometer minus 20.2 kilometer is equal to, subtracting, we have 0.9 kilometer. Here convert into meter, we have multiplied by 1000 is equal to 900 meter, and therefore Ayub travelled 900 meter more than Dinesh. Now this problem is example 7 of exercise 3.2.1. Now I am going to start exercise 3.1. Good morning, students. Exercise 3.1. Problem based on place value of digits in a number. You have learned in previous class how to find the place value and face value of digit in a number. You have learned. Again, I am going to teach you one number question of exercise 3.1. Find the place value of 5. Find the place value of 5 in the following decimal numbers. In the following decimal numbers. (73.25). We are given. We have to find the place value of 5 in the given decimal numbers. 73.5. Here we see that integral part of this number is 73 and decimal part is 0.25. We have to find the place value of 5. We see that 2 is, digit 2 is at 10th place. At 10th place of this number, and 5 is at 100th place of this number, 73.25. So the place value of 5 in 73.25 is equal to 5 by 100. 5 by 100 is equal to 5 by 100 is equal to 500. Place value of 5 in 73.25. We have to find the place. We have to find the digit place in number 73.25. We see that 5 is at 100th place, 2 is at 10th place, and so on. So the place value of 5 in 73.25 is equal to 500. And similarly, you can try to solve these exercise and type 2 question. Write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. Type 2. Type 2 question. 2.03 3.54. 3.54. 3.54. We have to write the given numbers in expanded form. Expressing in expanded form. Expressing in expanded form, we can write 3 plus 5 is at position of 10th is equal to 5 by 10. 5 by 10 plus 4 is at the position of 100th, so we can write it 4 by 100. So the expanded form of the given number is 3.54. 3.54 is equal to answer. Here we see that 3 is integral part and 4 is decimal part. So 5 is at 10th place, so we can write 5 into 1 by 10. 5 into 1 by 10, yeah, 5 by 10 plus 4 is at 100th place. So expressing expanded form, we can write 3 plus 5 by 10 plus 4 by 100. In this, according to you can try the next problem of this exercise, and I hope that you will next problem. Thank you.